Hello again. How are you doing now?
Welcome. Now I'm doing well. Rocky, I was asking you, what do you teach? Do you teach grammatical level, and do you prepare for IELTS? Let me know about you.
Yeah, yeah. So I mostly teach conversation, and I also teach how to make your English sound more natural. So a lot of my lessons I use like YouTube or Netflix, and I explain a lot of natural English and how to use it in everyday language. So
Okay,
I
that's
don't.
fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is your the channel name that you are
Um,
working on YouTube?
Oh no, no, sorry. I don't work on YouTube, but
Okay,
I use YouTube videos for my lessons.
okay, that's fine. Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, like
Okay, so could you teach me how is the strange pronunciation and how is the natural pronunciation? What is the differentiate between the both?
okay. Sorry, one more time. What words?
Strange pronunciation and the natural pronunciation. Am I right? Natural pronunciation is the pronunciation which the native speaker whenever they pronounce something. Am I right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Native pronunciation.
And the strange pronunciation, like I'm from Pakistan. While I pronounce something, it is called strange pronunciation. Am I right?
You just say strange.
Strange, yeah, strange, right. S
Oh,
T
okay,
R
okay.
A N G, strange.
I see. Okay. No, I don't think it's strange. Strange is bad, but I don't think it's strange. Everyone speaks different languages, so when you try to speak English, it sounds different, and it's okay.
Mhm.
Um, I think pronunciation comes from getting used to the language. So once you hear the language a lot, you start to copy the sounds.
Imitation. If we imitate,
Exactly.
okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So I always
Okay.
use materials like YouTube videos and Netflix, and we listen to the sounds and copy them.
Wow, I
Yeah.
always watch the YouTube videos and trying to imitate the pronunciation, but I think it is hard for me. Yeah,
Oh, I see.
sometimes I try to pronounce in my muscle, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think it is complicated.
Yeah, it takes practice, I think.
Yeah, we need to practice. Yeah, that's right. So, how to increase the vocabulary scale if we remember some vocabulary and some after some time we forget those words? How to keep in the mind for always?
Oh, I see. So what I do is I mostly try to practice using writing. Um, so if I
Okay.
learn a new word, I try to write it or type it, and I remember it more easy. So yeah, but yeah,
Okay.
we're
Fine.
running out of time, but I recommend it. Writing.
I'm I am offbeat while I listen something. So just I search on the dictionary in my mobile, and after that, when I